Hi you guys, so we're going to learn how to use Microsoft Office Teams. So you want to open up Teams, and I don't have a team yet, but I'm going to make one. So here's the Join or Create Team button right here. So we want to create a team. You can also, if you're joining a team, you can enter in the team with the code sometimes, but we don't have that, so we're going to create a team. So the team name is going to be Catherine's team. And the description is going to be a place for Catherine's teammates. And we can set the privacy to like anyone can join, or just like people that I want to be on there can join. So this is an exclusive club, so only people who I want to be in are going to be in here. So, and then we can start like adding people, but I don't want to bother anyone, so I'm not going to add anyone. So I'm going to skip that. And here you can like talk to people. Anyone in my team can see this, so I'm going to be like, "Welcome everyone." And you can like do links and stuff. So if you have a link, you can upload it. You can add little emojis, and GIFs and stickers and things like that, videos, and other things here. If you have some stocks you want to share with people, but we don't have any of those, which is fine. You want to go to Files. And if you want to share files with people, you can either make a new one. So, like, let's make a PowerPoint. PowerPoint name is information. Go ahead and create it. It'll take a second. Here's our PowerPoint. We'll go ahead and close that. This is basically just like your normal PowerPoint. Close. And it'll automatically save. You can also upload documents, so let's upload this birthday list. This is what we want for our birthday. Here's the birthday list. So you can like click on it and edit it with this button right here, Edit. So we can add something else to the birthday list. Let's say a new video game. That'll be on there. So you can also save this to like your computer if you want. Save as, you can save a different online copy, download a copy onto your computer, download it as a PDF, so like you can't edit it once you have it downloaded. It'll be like as is. And you can also download it ODT, and like I said, this website makes it so that it saves automatically, so there isn't going to be a traditional save file button here. So we'll go ahead and close out of that. And one more thing you can do to kind of organize your files. Let's go here and you can add a tab. So we'll add a Word document tab. And you can click on another Word document. So we can't upload the PowerPoint over here because it's not a Word document. We can do it with another Word document. So we'll make this as a list for birthday lists. So anyone in my group with a birthday list will put it here to organize it. So we'll go ahead and save that. So as you can see up here, we have conversations, which is what I did earlier, and it will tell you, oh, I made a birthday list. Files, which is just like everything is shared here, and then more organized list is birthday lists right here. So that's kind of an intro to Microsoft Teams, and that's it.